Rocky. Can find him again.
Hello, hola. So you guys see that we came here a few months ago and found this dead tree in the farm. And they've told us that this tree has been dead for many years. Actually, it was burnt as well, and it was still standing. So we need your help to call this tree some specific name, you know. So send us your feedback in calling this name, giving this tree a name. But meanwhile, let me show you. This was the top part of it was completely hollow. All right, you can see it's been weathered for many years. They're telling me here that this tree is at least 1,000 years old or more. All right, and it's completely burled everywhere. I'm going to show you. Look at the burls on it. You can see the burn marks. It's all burned. Look at the burls on it. This is the part that was burnt here. All right. If you keep coming here, you will see that it's completely hollow inside. So it took us about 6 months to get the permission and the paperwork and the permits to cut this. We have cut it, but now we're trying to figure out how to further cut it into lumber or slabs or burls, and that's the challenge. And we are going to be doing that today. We've traveled about 4 hours here. It is early in the morning, and we're going to start this process. We have to get it done today. This will be very interesting to do that today, and everything we do with this log, we will record it and bring it to you, so you will have the opportunity to watch this specific tree being cut into slabs or burls, or maybe even some lumber. You can use it for the guitar bodies, solid bodies. You can use it for slabs, but we will provide this to you guys. Look at the burls here. The figure is throughout. I don't have to say that word huge this time, because I mean, if you look at this, I'm standing here. If you look at this, I mean, this is that word, isn't it? I'm not gonna use it. You know what it is. Maybe you should be sitting home and watching this and saying, this is huge. I'm gonna stand in front of the biggest. Well, this is the biggest one from the bottom, but let me show you how big this is. You can see those ones behind me, they're huge. That's the biggest one, number 2, number 3, number 4. I'm 6'1". This is huge. I think this is 7.5, 8 feet, and that's about 9.5, 10 feet high. So they're getting ready to cut this. We're going to cut it in half because this cannot fit in any sawmill. So we have to first cut it in half and then take it to the sawmill and cut it. And we're not going to get all the live and slabs because we have to further cut it into small pieces. All right, let's go get this started, and we'll get this to you throughout the day. We'll be taking videos to show it to you. It'll be a very interesting thing. Remember, we want your suggestion to call this tree a name. We want to give it a name, so please send us your feedback. Rocky reporting from Santarém in Brazil. This is going to be huge!